Welcome to DaresSalaam, the economic soul of Tanzania. Known as the House of Peace, this city is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and coastal energy. Our journey begins at the harbor, where the city's story first took root as a small fishing village over a century ago. We're heading to Kivukoni, the city's sensory gateway, where the day begins long before the sun is fully up. Here, the rhythm of the ocean meets the hustle of the market. It's a high-energy theater of trade and tradition. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The manada or auction is the heartbeat of Kivukoni. The air is filled with the rhythmic shouts of prices for red snapper and lobster. The aroma of wood smoke and frying fish is unmistakable, a true local delicacy enjoyed by thousands every morning. Leaving the market behind, we take a stroll along the waterfront, where colonial architecture still stands tall. In 1866, Sultan Majid bin Said of Zanzibar saw the potential of this harbor, commissioning the city's very first permanent structures. This is the Old Boma, originally a royal guest house. It remains a silent witness to the city's transition through the ages. Look closely at the doors. Intricate carvings and thick coral stone walls reflect a beautiful fusion of Omani and Swahili craftsmanship. Today, it houses the Center for Architectural Heritage, dedicated to preserving the soul of Dar amidst a rapidly growing skyline. From here, the contrast is striking, the ancient dhows of the past gliding past the glass towers of the future. A short walk away, we find one of the city's most iconic silhouettes, the oceanfront Lutheran Church. Built by German missionaries over a century ago, its bright white walls and red-tiled roof are a landmark for sailors and locals alike. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Its unique design brings a piece of Europe to the East African coast, reflecting the complex layers of the city's colonial history. The bell tower has signaled the passing of time for generations, standing firm as the city transformed around it. Step inside, and the bustling city noise fades away. It's a cool, quiet sanctuary in the heart of the metropolis. The vestry houses a small museum, containing artifacts like these colonial-era field Bibles and historic communion cups. In the gardens outside, the mango trees offer a place for reflection, a favorite spot for workers to escape the afternoon heat. Just outside these gates, the modern pulse of DaresSalaam beats on, full of color and movement. The harbor and its historic heart are just the beginning. The soul of DaresSalaam is as deep as the ocean itself. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.